Alright squad, what's up? So today I have literally the oldest prank in the book. Air horn, shaving cream, a girlfriend that's asleep on the couch, me. It's a great combination. Let's get it. Oh, that was so fucking funny. Oh my gosh, it got all over your face. I didn't think it was gonna be that loud. I'm sorry.
What the fuck?
Huh?
What the fuck is this? Am I fucking...
It was your wake-up call.
Wipe it off my eye. What the fuck is this? Putting in my fucking mouth.
That's what she said.
Doing? Don't laugh.
Oh, that was hilarious. Oh my gosh, that was so funny.
What is this?
These nuts.
Put showered up. I feel bad now. I didn't know it was in your eye like that. It's shaving
I can't
cream.
even open my fucking eye.
I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
It's not funny.
It is kind of funny. It is very funny.
Fucking moron. Got it fucking everywhere.
Oh, that's so funny. Our original goal was fun. We got to see. I'm very happy about it. I know. How about tomorrow? It's never enough. Everything was